Hi and welcome back to another video. I have a super fun video for us today, I think. Well, it's a fun video for me, I should say. I hope you find entertainment out of it. I'm really excited. I bought a new toy and I'm going to introduce you to it, and we are going to unbox it and try it out for the first time in this video. We have a little bit of a weird angle because I'm going to be filming down, so I figured I would just intro you, say hi, welcome to this video, and we're going to go right into our unboxing. So I finally caved and I purchased myself a Addi Express. I'm gonna call it an Addi Mini for some reason unbeknownst to me, but anyway, the Addie Express. I found it on sale on Amazon, and so I had to go ahead and just commit to it. I really like socks. I think like most people, I don't know how I want to say this. I feel like most people who run cold, I love socks, and so I purchase them all the time. Previously on this channel, I have tried crocheting my own socks, which was fun, but I don't think it's something that I will do all the time, at least not every time I find yarn that I might want to make a sock with. And so a knitting machine was something that I had had on my radar for a while, and I've watched a lot of videos about them, and I finally committed when I found this one on sale on Amazon. And so we're gonna go ahead and put it together and hopefully make our first test pair of socks. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, let's get into it. It's so cute. Oh my goodness, why is it so little? Okay, let's see what we've got. We've got, oh, these are some clamps and our little adding machine, some extra teeth, and the instructions. So let's get into it. Oh, our little handle is protected. Very cute. Oh my goodness. How nice. Okay, beautiful. Oh, we've got our circular knitting and then plain knitting here. Our little counter. Our yarn gauge. This is so nice. Okay, let's put the feet on. A little hand tight action. Last leg. Okay, here. Good. Does it feel? Okay, it feels better. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to clean this up and then take a look at how to attach these clamps, and I'll be right back with you. I have it all clamped down, so it shouldn't go anywhere. I've got some waste yarn that we can try, and then I am going to try to make some socks out of this Charging My Crystals, the new Halloween color from Big Twist. We're gonna make see if the knitting machine likes this. I think it should, just based on other videos I've seen, but we'll try. So we're gonna start doing some of our testing with some waste yarn. And I'm going to try, I think, what's right? I think I've already done this wrong. Changing colors. Okay, so we did our first little test part with the Addi Express. I did have some trouble with my yarn, and I'm wondering if it is just the big twist yarn that might be the issue here. As you can see, we've got our little first cylinder. Cute. I mean, the colors are really pretty. I like them. They would be a nice sock. But I did find that when I was starting, I don't know if you will see it now, which I guess is good. But the thread did split, and then it was like not laying over the bottom, not the tooth, but like the bottom part that it loops around. It was like getting sliced in two instead of going around the little bottom tooth. So I had to go through and pick out quite a bunch of that when I was first switching colors. And then, as you can see here, the thread kind of, or the yarn kind of just got eaten in the machine. And so as I kept going around, part of this was jammed into the machine and it was bunching all of this up, and it was happening on the outside, so I couldn't see what was happening on the inside. So on the inside it looked fine, as you can see here, but this was all bunching. I could just see that there's like a big bunch here. So I took it off, obviously. As you can see, this is the bottom. This is the part I just took off. So I tried for a few rows and then I took it off. And you can see that it looks like it may have kind of missed some here, or it wasn't tight here because of all that bunching that was happening. So something that I'm definitely gonna have to practice and work on. It also kind of seems a little bit like this would be a really thin sock. So I guess I need to figure out how I need to look at some even more videos and kind of see how some circular knitted socks might look. If it's just the yarn that I'm using, if it is a tension thing, I don't know. I have a lot to learn anyway about this machine, so I am going to be working on that. Some more today, probably more time over the weekend, and I will absolutely give you an update video as I learn more, and maybe even be able to show you a pair of socks at some point. But right now I need to keep learning, so I'm going to keep learning, and I will see you again very soon. All right, well, I'm not sure how well you can see, but we've had some carnage. We've tried a few different types of yarn to see if maybe it was just that the big twist yarn was a no-go for the Addie Express. This is a hand-dyed yarn that is wool, and it actually did the exact same thing that the big twist did. It was tucking stitches and getting them caught inside the machine. So as you can see, this one got tucked and then dropped. Here's another tucked one that was right here that kind of got split and tucked in the machine. So I tried going for like a thicker yarn. So I had some of this super plush, I don't even remember what it's called because it's all been caked up because I've started too many projects with it and then ripped it all out. But I decided to use something that was like super thick and you like can't split it. You cannot split this yarn, just to see make sure that I was understanding how the tool itself was functioning, and being able to watch for the issues that are occurring in the machine when a stitch is dropped or tucked. And I'm finding that it's happening mostly, of course, when you're first casting on. And then I guess with some of the yarns that split a little easier, like I'm assuming the big twist, is that the biggest issue is weight, is what some people were saying, is that if there's not enough weight, enough tension on the project on the inside of the machine, kind of like pulling it down, it will get caught on these teeth here, and then it'll split the yarn. And then if it's not popping the lower loop kind of back over this, so during the function, it's supposed to like pop this up and back over. And if it's not doing that, it will get like two loops will be here, or in my case, when this is splitting, it's kind of getting split like this. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see this, but it's going to split the yarn half over this, half not. And then it's just gonna cause like a bunch of chaos. So anyway, that's what's been happening with mine. So stuff that I have to learn. As you can see, I have gutted some yarn here. I tried this one, and then we ultimately did this one, and I was able to actually get a full thing done. Oh, I didn't kind of practice ending the sock, not right now. This might be my favorite so far, just as it being a bulky. When you stretch it, you don't get a bunch of holes, whereas like with this stuff, there's a lot of holes, and I just worry that like if I put this on my foot, it's gonna be cold. But I don't know what I'm talking about because I haven't done it before. Anyway, these are the things that I've tried so far. Yeah, this wool was really bad. I guess this is probably a number 4. This is a 5, right? Pretty sure. Nope, this is also a 4. So this is a 4. I'm pretty sure this is a 4, although it's a really thin 4, so maybe it's closer to a 3, although it's not a sock weight. Anyway, these are both 4, I guess. And then this is probably a 6. And I don't think I have any number 5 worsted, but I did order some, so hopefully we'll have some soon. Anyway, as I was saying, I have ordered some worsted weight yarn. Who's that coming from? Oh, I put in my first Hirschner's order, so we will do a Hirschner's unboxing once it gets here. It'll hopefully be here in a couple weeks. Some of the stuff they ordered was back ordered, so we'll see when it comes. But anyway, I will keep playing with this and learning it, and I will see you again in another video very soon, hopefully showing you my first pair of Addie Express socks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!